this video, we will learn about the geometric or point method of calculating the elasticity of demand. See, elasticity of a linear demand curve can easily be measured geometrically. Elasticity at any point is the ratio of lower segment and upper segment of the demand curve at that point. So here elasticity of demand is equal to lower segment of the demand curve upon upper segment of the demand curve. We will see some examples. See, here are points A, B, C, D, E. This is a demand curve. This is price. This is quantity on x-axis. If I have to find out the elasticity of demand at point D, what am I supposed to do? The formula is lower segment of demand curve upon upper segment. So, lower segment is dB upon dA. Now, dB and dA both are equal. That means in this case elasticity of demand is equal to 1. Okay. Now at point E, lower segment is EB upon EA. Since lower segment is greater than upper segment, in this case elasticity of demand will be more than 1. At point C, elasticity of demand will be CB upon CA. In this case, CB is less than CA. CB is smaller than CA. So elasticity of demand is going to be less than 1. Now at point B, we are going to write B, lower segment B upon BA. B is what? 0. So elasticity of demand is equal to 0. Right? Elasticity of demand at point A. It will be AB upon A. And since A is 0, so in this case elasticity of demand will be infinite. Okay, so these are the 5 points on the linear demand curve which can tell us about the elasticity of demand at point B. When both the segments are equal, elasticity of demand will be equal to 1. At point C, when CB is smaller than CA, elasticity of demand will be less than 1. At point E, when EB is greater than EA, elasticity of demand is more than 1. At point B, when B is 0 and B upon BA, since B is 0, elasticity is equal to 0. And at point A, anything upon 0 will be infinite. So elasticity of demand in this case will be infinite.